Hey, good day everyone. Check out this Pampered Chef Garlic Press I have here. There's the top view, side view. There's a look from the bottom, other side. You open it up. There's how it looks there. Put your garlic right in there. Make sure that goes on top and then squeeze it. And this is one little thing I haven't seen before too. Looks like a cleaner, which is really nice. You can take and push it back through there. There you go. Just pop it in there. You don't even have to peel it. Just put it in there just like that. Got some fresh pressed garlic. Oh, never mind. Cut that. And we put that in there to clean it out. Pushes all that stuff back up through there. Ready to go for the next one. That easy.